Hello Riri, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Sana maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo kahit na matanda ka na. Joke lang ah. Hindi, syempre kailangan kahit na wala na tayo sa teenager or ano, nangangarap pa rin tayo or may plano pa rin tayo maabot yung mga pangarap natin. Syempre, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo gusto 'yun. So, nakapula ako ngayon kasi birthday mo. So, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon and have a blast. Wishing you all the best and sana huwag kang magsasawa mag-YT kasi ang YT parang diary lang yan. Huwag kang magsasawa. O kumbaga ganito, i-enjoy mo lang. Huwag kang magpapa-pressure. Ito parang payo ng budol. Hindi, so hanggang dito na lang. Ayoko nang habaan kasi baka mamaya saan na naman mapunta to, budulan na naman to. O baka mabalahura kita ng todo dito, birthday mo pa naman. So hanggang dito na lang, happy birthday ulit. So see you on your next vlog. Or see you in the eyes. Bye bye.
Store, happy birthday. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. All the best wishes. And sana wag kang susuko sa YT world. Sana matagal pa pagsamahan natin. At more ML games to come. Love, love, love. Mwah!
Hi Riri, happy birthday. God bless you always. Baby girl. Be a good girl. Ha ha ha.
Hi, Riri! Happy birthday sa'yo dyan! So, yun, I would just like to say happy birthday again. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na stay kind, stay pretty, and thank you for all your support. Thank you for being our friend. Thank you for being part of the Team Balahulers. Salamat sa sobrang suporta mo sa amin. And keep on vlogging. Huwag sana tayong tamarin sa pag-vlog, sa pag-YouTube. And todo suporta lang ang Team Balahulers para sa'yo. We love you so much, Riri. And God bless and stay safe and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, more jowa to come, charot. So, yan. We love you! Mwah! Enjoy your day!
Hi Rian, happy birthday. So more power and stay blessed. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa iyo, Riri. Sana naging masaya ka ngayong araw na to and congratulations sa iyong first premiere. Hiling namin na na hindi ka pa rin magbabago at kapag natupad mo yung goal natin bilang YouTuber is manatili pa rin tayong humble and always grateful pa rin kay Lord. Syempre sa mga nakakamit natin and sa mga na-achieve natin everyday. Ayun, so happy birthday ulit. Masaya ako na naging part ka ng Team Balahulers at naging friend pa rin kita dito sa YouTube world. Enjoy and God bless! Bye-bye!
Hi Riri! Nag-shoutout sa'yo. This is your Auntie Lee. Happy birthday sa'yo, Riri!
Ako lagi charing na mamamamura watashi wa sajuta na 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 na.
Bongga, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. More cakes to eat and candles to blow. God bless and good luck to your career. Good luck to your YouTube channel. Sana monetize ka na agad para naman baka naman. Okay, God bless. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Malapit na tayo lumabas sa kalendaryo, palihog lang. Dahan-dahan lang tayo, kaya ako hindi ako nagsiselebrate ng birthday para hindi nila alam na magpas na ako ng kalendaryo. Bye! Mwah.
Hi world! I want to wish my little sister Yan a big happy birthday today because it's her birthday. And I just wanna know you, my sister, that you are so special to us, that you are so amazing woman, and we love you. You know how much we love you, and always be here for you no matter what happened. And I always pray to God, or I keep praying to God that He will give in what the desire of your heart. I know that God answer our prayer always because we love us. And you know, no more drama, but you know, love your smile and makes the world go round, go round, go round. Happy birthday. We love you, sister Bunso. Smile.
Yan. Happy birthday ka. I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa araw ng birthday mo. And I pray na makabalik ka kaagad dito kasama si Winga at saka si Inday. I love you so much. Shalom to you.
Oh yes, video na pagpabati. Idum ulit yung siren. Alles good, Game Tag, Abibti. And three things, guys, you know about Rian is that she's secretive, thoughtful, and humble. Thoughtful because she really cares others, especially sa kanyang mga pamangkin. Yala, no salary main. And then, yeah, she's really as humble as I know because she sets her heart in Jesus. And you know, sometimes she's really right, but dahil ayaw na ng gulo para sa amin, tahimik na lang siya, ganon. And then, secretive kasi magugulat ka na lang, may kakaiba sa kanya. But just kidding. But you know, I really admire about Rian is that when we have a travel in the Budapest, Hungary, yeah, I really amazed that Rian is really good in direction, you know. If you want somebody to have the body, you know, Rian, I recommend that Rian. And I really miss that time, the moments that we had with Giuliani, and I pray that we can go back there, four of us. I hope so. And happy birthday! I miss you, my love, and continue to be joyful and hopeful and prayed for. God will always grant it for that, I know. And God has the best plan for you in your future, as He said in His Word. And we're always to support you. Don't worry, we're all to your back up, you know, back up everything. And thank you and enjoy. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your time and God bless you. We miss you and see you soon.
Hi, Ne. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang dabo pang birthday maabot sa imo. And stay good health. God bless, Ne.
Hi ta, happy birthday nga pala sa'yo. God bless at sa vlog mo, lagi mo tandaan, nandito lang kami sumusuporta sa'yo. Love you!
Tantiani, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Tita, happy birthday. God bless. Ingat ka dyan. Happy birthday po, Ate Rian. God bless you po. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video natin. See you next time!
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! Lagi kang mag-ingat. I love you!
Hi Tita Rian! Happy birthday! And I wish you all the best. You know we love you so much and God bless.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! Ingat ka dyan palagi. I love you!
Hi Tita Rian! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang is sana gumanda and lumago yung life mo as a YT content creator, and sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng maraming blessings and mahabang life. Yun lang. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Yan. Happy birthday po. I love you po. God bless you.
Hi tita, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na pagpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo kasi nandito lang kami nakasuporta sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. God bless.
Hi Rian, advance happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Promise, tutulungan kita sa YouTube mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Yan! Love you!
Madam, happy birthday!